Hi there and welcome to the Online Advertising Plan Playbook. Follow this simple step-by-step playbook to create an effective online advertising plan to increase leads and/or sales and support your marketing goals. Each playbook begins with a table of contents and a framework for quick reference to the tools and templates highlighted throughout this step-by-step guide. Our playbooks are filled with links to our practical modern marketing tools, templates, and training, which are organized stage by stage, step by step. Starting with stage number 1, understanding online ads. And here, the first step is to review online advertising best practices, review data about online ads, understand online ads technology, and evaluate B2B display advertising. In stage 2, we're going to evaluate the approach. And here, the first step is to understand ROI with online ads, and then evaluate your online advertising ROI. You're going to leverage the advertising checklist plan, review online advertising technology, evaluate online advertising vendors, and then get help with your online ad systems. In stage 3, we move on to researching keywords. And here, you're going to build a keyword list and then leverage your competitors' keywords. In stage 4, you're going to plan content. And here, the first step is to assess advertising concept effectiveness, review branding best practices, establish your brand strategy, define your positioning statement, determine features, advantages, and benefits, evaluate your advertising concepts, and ultimately plan your online ad campaigns. Stage 5 is all about implementing your campaigns. And here, step number 1 is to review landing page best practices, and then ensure your landing pages are ready. Then you're going to set up your Google AdWords, set up your Facebook ads, as well as mobile ads on AdMob. Lastly, in stage 6, we move on to measuring your results. And here we first start by setting up your Google Analytics account and then leveraging an ad calendar and budget to track your progress. Remember, you can access all these resources in a single page at the start of this guide and on its own with the Online Advertising Framework. Succeed with online advertising by downloading and leveraging this playbook today.